All right, y'all, so today we're gonna talk about what I call the kitchen sink, and that's soil mastery. The reason I call it the kitchen sink is because this is our granular biostimulant that includes everything in it, pretty much, including the kitchen sink. The first thing that's in here, and again, this is a granular biostimulant, so for those of you that wanna use biostimulants like humic acid, sea kelp, biochar, these things, but you're not able to spray, you don't wanna spray, you want a granular, that's what we had this created for. And it's basically as much stuff as I can get in the bag as possible. The main thing that's in here is 35% of this is biochar. And in fact, it's the BioChar DG, which stands for dispersible granules. So it breaks down really fast and gets right into the soil. So 35% biochar. The other thing that we've got in here is 9% humic acid. Humic acid is a chelator. You guys have heard of that. It's one of the main biostimulants that we use. And that humic is actually wrapped around just a little bit of nitrogen, 5% nitrogen, to give your lawn a little bit of a color pop, and 2% iron is also in here. So you're gonna see a little bit of a color pop out of this. And then the last thing that we've got in here, or one of the other things we have in here, is gypsum. Gypsum is an excellent soil conditioner with calcium as well as some sulfur. And then finally, there's just a hint of sea kelp to stimulate a little bit of growth. It's pretty much everything that I could get in here. Granular, you can put this down in the spring, summer, and fall. 3-4 times a year is about all you need. And again, it will give you a little bit of a color pop. So for those of you that wanna apply biostimulants, but you don't wanna use liquid, you wanna use granular, Soil Mastery is the one to get. I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut. This is Yard Mastery, and I wanna thank you for supporting an American small business.